Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. If you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking all these type of videos, learning and live trading and advices and all these videos, then you can hit that subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services or training from me, WhatsApp 7892652481 and specify training from Paul. So they will give the details and all that. And for the ones who wants to open an account through us, either in the about section or else in the video description, you have the link. Click on Zerodha or else Upstock to open your account, and you will be added to my secret Telegram channel for learning only. So without wasting time, let's see what do we have. So I've just taken a quantity of Jindal steel. Okay, observing the stocks, took a dip down and then just came up. The question is, can it break its own previous high? So I took around 151.05. So 50 paisa is 0.3%. So 151.55 is my target for this particular trade. So just cross checking with the Jindal Steel market depth, because Zerodha has around 20 depth. So near 55, if you see, 50 has a barrier. See, this is one good thing of this depth. We'll get to know what are the barriers and where can we put our orders and where can we exit easily and all that. So 50 has 45,000 of shares, 227, 228 orders. So that is one small resistance there. If that breaks, then next big one is around that is 152 itself. So chances are, yeah, it's not that it will go so quickly, but at least each layer by layer it can go. It would take some time. Let's go for the chart. Candlestick, 1 day. All the resistance is over here. This area. Applying these indicators, somewhere it says the stock can go up to 152 also. So let's say 145, 152 or 152.55. But this is a big resistance zone now. Let's wait and watch. Finally, as we planned, it went up to 152.20. So overall, let's see till where it went. It has gone up to 152.45 as planned, like approximate calculations which we did. So yeah, it took a small dip down and then it went up. So anyways, let's exit it. So anyways, 1376 profit. So I took around 151.05 and sold it around 152.03, almost 1 rupee profit. So 0.3 is 50 paisa, right? So this is around 0.6% profit on this trade. So it's almost 10% profit, 10 to 12, 11% profit on our capital. So anyways, I just got busy for the day, and anyways, the market is closed. It's already night. So Jindal has moved up to 155.80 from the morning levels what we saw. The stock has gone up good. I mean, we expected 152.50, which happened, and later it went more also. So that was a great move. So anyways, 1376 is a profit, almost 12% or 10 to 12% profit for the day in this particular trade. Morning I was just a bit busy, so I thought anyways I'll just record a quick video. So there was not much, but still anyways I could record it, and finally got some time now to edit the video, and I will upload it quickly. So anyways, Nifty, oh my god, Nifty has got 1.34%, 12084. Let me just check. All right, so Nifty is in the peak. Oh, so this is the overall high, which is near the overall high. So somewhere here, 1210, it has to go. Anyways, great move from Nifty also. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please do hit that like and subscribe button. I'll be trying to do a learning video tomorrow, so hit that subscribe button to see the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.